Welcome, friends. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating realm of ancestral metals through the insightful teachings of Jack Ravi. I think that the minute I opened the course and started skimming through it, I knew that I had to share it with you guys and let you know what a beautiful course Jack has built. It's his calming voice that becomes your compass on this journey, offering you guidance as you explore the art of creating these beautiful metals. From the first opening of Jack's class, he embraces you with a warm, inviting demeanor that creates an atmosphere that feels like connecting with an old friend, someone that you've known forever. And he approaches the class with a true authenticity that shines through every clip. Although the end product is so beautiful, the journey to get there is just as special. Jack even creates a specific Spotify playlist for you to listen to as you are creating your own metal. It's those special little touches that add so much uniqueness and warmth to Jack's course. The other piece that I absolutely loved was the fact that it comes with a questionnaire so that you can kind of get to the root of how you are feeling or what you want to convey in your metal. And it helps take the guesswork out of what you are going to create. Sometimes when you go to create something, if you're anything like me, then there's a just blankness that comes over me of what I'm going to do, what colors am I going to use. And I really think that this questionnaire kind of takes some of that fear away and allows you to just create and enjoy the beauty of it. When you begin the course, you're going to notice that Jack asks you to just do one metal so that you can really embrace it and enjoy the process instead of coming at it with an attitude of mass making. But I have to tell you that once I did that and I got bit by the Ancestor Medal bug, so to speak, I cannot stop making these. I am a metal lover. I love all different types of metals, and I think I even had some in my first Christmas kit last year. There's just something about them that is so beautiful and endearing, and all the history that comes attached to them. It's evident to me that this experience is a romantic exploration into our pasts and mending them with today. And it's there, right in the middle of that connection, where true beauty lies. This is a great project for you to use up those vintage pieces that maybe you were holding on to. What makes it great is that these metals could be hung. They can be given as gifts, of course, but they can be displayed in a place where you see them, and as your eye catches them, your heart will fill with love. Each medal tells a story. It can be of love and romance, or it can be of adventure and excitement. It's up to you. What will your story be? What do you want to tell? Jack gives you the starting off point, but the story that you write is completely yours. If you're ready to delve into the world of ancestral medals, I will have all of Jack's information underneath this video. Thank you for being here. I hope that this video has inspired you to create something beautiful today. I love you all, and I'll see you soon.